Ekwenama.
Kinda tonde. Tonde ra changara sambana ngobezit.
Wow. What's our guy?
Kitsalwe ezibad.
Kapukai?
Ezibad.
Where is that? South Africa?
Kitsalwe ezibad.
Or Zimbabwe?
Yeah.
Take anything you want in the shop. Anything you want.
May I please have a piece of chicken?
1 piece.
2 pieces.
2 pieces.
Listen, have 2 pieces here, 2 pieces here, 2 pieces here, 2 pieces here, 2 pieces here. And go take drinks and take dessert. Take anything you want in the store.
All right, sir.
Yeah. It's your Christmas today.
I will make the 2 pieces for you here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just go and take whatever you want.
Take anything you want in the store. Chocolates, sweets, just take. It's your day. Shanghai.
Yes,
Shanghai.
sir. Yes, sir.
I said take everything you want. Is that all?
There is still, I still have lit Vaseline after.
I'm going to know your man. I said take everything you want. You can't take soft things. No? Yeah, check it out.
Yes.
I'm doing all this.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not check it right. Come. Take more, take more. Take more. What? I think they want the bomb. He shows his own cologne, lotion, roll-on. A lot of people super depressed, my friend. Hey, check it out.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow morning you're gonna cut your hair.
Yeah, I want to cut my hair. That's these guys. Sometimes they complain if I come. They say you must cut
It's
your
fine.
hair.
Hey, how much?
And then it's just that I'm gonna shoot with shoes.
How much?
775.
I'm gonna just shoot with shoes. You can see my shoes.
Take. And it changes yours, huh? Hey. Hey, Changirai,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna say keep change.
Yes, sir.
Say keep change.
Keep change. Tomorrow promise me you'll go to your family.
How much is change?
64 inch.
Huh?
64 inch.
Change is 64 rand. Say keep change.
Keep change, my sister. Left hand. Just say thanks to that brother. Just say thank you.
No. Changirai,
Yeah, bo.
thanks to you. Say keep change.
Praise the Lord.
Yeah, push your trolley. Changirai,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna get you into a cab, ne?
What's up? What's up?
I'm gonna get you into a cab. The cab will take you home, wherever that is. I'm gonna get you into a taxi
Yes.
with your groceries. The taxi will take you home, right? Let's go.